This is the Arduino Nano. You can also use the Arduino Uno for making the project. This is the MQ2 Gas Sensor. You can detect LPG or other gases using this sensor. It gives an analog value depending what kind of gas it gets. Now connect the gas sensor with Arduino Nano using some jumper wires. Both the diagram for Arduino Nano and Uno are in description. You don't need to connect OLED displays if you don't have. I just placed that because I want to make a project and show you the values in OLED. Now connect the cable with the Arduino Nano board. Then turn on your computer. Then open the code I have provided in description. We are going to use this code later. Now go to Files, then Examples, then Basics. Then open the analog read serial code. Now select the board as Arduino Nano or Uno. Then select the COM port, then hit the Upload button. Now it's done. Then open the serial monitor. Here you can see the gas value. If your value is greater than 300 in normal air, then you have to adjust the potential meter of the module. My one is okay, so I am not changing the potential meter. This is the OLED, which I am going to use. Now I am connecting it with the Arduino Nano using jumper wires. By the way, I have a specific video about OLED displays. You can watch that if you want. If you are not seeing a text on the OLED display like me, then don't worry, it's showing in my one, because I upload a code with PLZ subscribe text before. To upload code, we need to install 2 libraries, download them from description, then copy them, then go to Documents, then Arduino, then Libraries, then paste the libraries. Then open the code you downloaded from the description, then select the board and the port, then hit the Upload button. Now you can see the gas value and a signal that gas is detected or not in the OLED. Now if we release LPG gas near to the gas sensor, the OLED display will give signal. So it was today's project. If you like it, then hit the like button, and to get more projects, like it, subscribe my channel. Thanks.